Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about Java and what is the difference between logical and bitwise and logical OR operator and bitwise OR operator. If you want to practically use into programming, then ternary operators, assignment operator also will be explaining about that. Okay, if you want to, let me explain what is logical and bitwise and what is the difference between the two. So uh, let me explain it. Untitled. Okay. Okay. Logical and operator. How to represent that? This is a logical and operator, and bitwise means only a single ampersand operator. Okay, logical operator doesn't check the second condition. If the first condition is false, it checks the second condition if only the first one is true. Okay, similarly in bitwise and operator, it check both the condition whether the first condition is true or false. Not doesn't matter. Only the logical operator. I will show you the example about both logical and bitwise. And let me declare one local variable because we are declaring inside that class and method that is a local variable. Suppose if you want to declare 10 and int b, don't think about this. It is a previous example. Okay, and by b we will declare it 5, then c we will declare it as 20. Okay, and then not forget it. If a is less than b, double ampersand a is less than c, bracket close. Okay, first a is less than b. What does that mean? If 10 is less than 5, false. Then false. Ampersand, double ampersand, a is less than c, 10 is less than 20, it's true. So equal to, we get false. Similarly, if you define the same for a single logical, we have declared that we will declare bitwise and a is less than b. Okay, sorry. A is less than b, ampersand a is less than c. Here also false, ampersand true. Equal to false. This will be the output we will get in. Let me run this. I will explain it to you clearly. We got the output as both had false and false. Is it recording or not? Okay, it's recording. Okay, first if you want to main difference, if you want to define that, let me tell you another example between both. What is the main difference in between these two? If you want to notice that, let me give you another example. Let's talk about int a equal to 10. Okay, b 5. Okay, it will same. Let's talk about a plus plus is less than b. Then if we want to print a, right, suppose, then let me remove this command. Okay, a is less than b, address of a plus plus less than g. Okay, notice the difference. Okay, let me print a variable first. Copy, then paste. Okay, notice the difference between this. I have declared logical and here I have declared single ampersand, that is bitwise and. What is the difference between these two? Look, here false a plus plus is nothing but incrementing operator. Same output. What if, what is the value of a then? Actually here is value will be declared as 10 because second condition is not checked. First condition is false, then it will come out of the loop. Here also false, I mean false, and address of true is false, but what is the value here? Value a will be 11. Why? Because second condition is checked. Second condition, what is the second condition is given? A plus plus. Then initially value of a is 10. Okay, after incrementing it will be a 11. Okay, let me save this program and run so that I can prove that run a Java application. See, we got same output, but the variable of a is different. Previous variable second condition is not checked. Here both conditions are checked, so value also changed. Okay, I hope you understand both different. Let's talk about OR, bitwise, and we already talked about bitwise, and we will talk about bitwise OR. Same thing, same output we will get. Okay, here to ampersand, I mean tangent line. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, where I can show the different. Okay, let me simply show the different, like what is logical and or logical OR, and what is the difference between the two? A greater than b, address of or a less than g. Okay, forget this statement. Address of g. Let me explain the two. Here a is less than b, pi is less than b is true, and true or operator. Also second condition satisfies, so true, it will give you the result of like true. Okay, second option, a is greater than b, actually it's false. Oh, sorry, a value is 10. Okay, a is greater than b is true. Okay, a is greater than b is true. Single I have a bitwise OR true, it will give the same output true. I want to split this. Okay, if I declare, if I want you to notice the difference between bitwise or versus percent. Okay, let's talk about a greater than b, and sorry, address, or a plus plus less than q. Okay, what does that mean? First condition is true, second also true, then final result will be true. Then here result will be given as 0, 10, because initially we have declared as 10. Okay, if we want to declare again, okay, single bitwise operator, here also the same output, here the same thing, but what is the difference is value of a will be the difference. Here output will be 11, because second condition will be checked. Okay, let me run this program. Run as Java application. See, you get same 10, true, 10, 11. Okay, that is the main difference between these two. And let's talk about ternary operator. Ternary operator is very easy to learn. It's nothing that difference will be. Okay, let me clear it for you, because very confusion here. Okay, yeah, 3. Stop recording. Right. Okay, so what we are talking about, ternary operator, right? There was a call. Okay, what is ternary operator doesn't matter, because example will explain you what is that. Okay, Java ternary operator is used as an one linear replacement for if then else statement, and used a lot in Java programming. It is only conditional operator which can take 3 operands. So we will talk in example like class. We need to create a class sample. Okay, then open brace public. We need to create a main function for main string argument. Okay, let me declare any two values, like int a equal to or int a equal to 2, int b equal to 5. Okay, let 5. Okay, 5 not a big problem. Then we need to declare ternary operator. It is a conditional operator. If a is less than b, then question mark a to b. If a is less than b, then it will assign first one is true, then second one is false. If the result is false, then b result will be displayed. If result is true, then a will be displayed. Okay, let me execute that output. Println main. Okay, let me save it. I have closed. Don't forget to mention the bracket, it's very important. Okay, 2 is less than 5, true, then a will be output. Let me run this program. See what is the output here, 2 7. Okay, this is called a ternary operator, like a conditional operator. Okay, no need for another example if you understand this. Okay, thanks for response. Next we will talk about assignment operator. Sorry for a mistake. Assignment operator is very important. Okay, let's talk. Let's change the value for my mind will be. Let's change it to let be 20. G. What is the assignment operator? Is nothing. A equal to a plus 4. If I want to add a equal to a plus 4, then 14. We can write this as a plus equal to 4. Both are same. Similarly, b equal to b minus 4. How can I write this? B minus equal to 4. Both are same. Then switch-in will be result system dot out dot println. Okay, I want to display the result of A, and I want to display copy, then paste it. I want to display the result of B, then save it. I want to run this program, run as Java application. See, output displayed as 14 and 16. Previously A equal to A plus 4, 10 equal to 10 plus 4, 14, here 16, because 20 minus 4, 16. Okay, and similarly you can define everything like plus. If I want to define divide A, B divide equal to 4 is also same, and if I want to multiply anything, then A star of equal to 4, it's also same. You can define anything, you can play with the operators. Let's say I want to add in sort. Example, if I want to add a sort variable instead of integer, if I want to add sort, okay, let me define again b equal to 10. If you define this if you define a plus equal to b, then it's fine. Internally a equal to a plus b, it's completely internally fine. It's not a problem anymore. Okay, if you define a equal to a plus b, okay, system dot out, then it will result in compile error. Let me run the application, Java application. Proceed. See what is the output. Compile error. We cannot convert mismatch into sort because actually compile time error happens here, because if we add 10 plus 10, then it will result in 20. Okay, it will result in 20. So it's an integer. So in order to get an output, we need to define a equal to typecasting. It's only option sort of a plus b. We need to define a bracket which will be professional type. Okay, then we need to run Java application. Here we will get output at 20. We got output. Okay then guys, that for today. Let me top up to this. If you have any doubt, just mention it in comment, I'm adding this video to YouTube. Thank you again.